Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make healthy zucchini bread. Zucchini bread is a great way to sneak in those veggies, so I like to keep mine healthy by replacing the sugar and oil that's traditionally in zucchini bread. Start by preheating an oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease an 8x4-inch bread pan. Then take a rinsed zucchini and you want to grate about 1 cup of zucchini. I like to grate half of it on the large grate side and then the other half on the small grate side. I like to have the variety of texture. Now, if you don't like to have texture in your zucchini bread, grate the whole thing on the small side. To measure out a cup, you just want to pack it tightly into a measuring cup. Looks like we need a little bit more. So I'll just grab another zucchini and grate a little bit more until we fill that cup all packed full. Then we can start making our batter. For the batter, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half a cup of whole wheat flour. Gotta sneak in that extra nutrition with the whole wheat. Then you'll need half a teaspoon each of salt, baking soda, and baking powder. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And we're gonna stir this all together real quick. Once that's mixed together, we can start adding in our liquid ingredients, starting with 1 cup of honey. I like to spray my measuring cup with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray when I'm measuring sticky ingredients like honey. Then we'll add in half a cup of applesauce, and you want to make sure you buy the unsweetened kind. This will keep our bread nice and moist. You'll also need 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir this all in with the flour. This is called a quick bread because it doesn't require any rising time, so it's quick to get in the oven. But unlike its name implies, it actually takes a long time to bake, as we're about to find out. But last, we need to put in our zucchini. So add in that whole cup of grated zucchini, and you kind of have to scrape it out because we packed it in nice and tight. Then you just want to gently fold this in with the batter. You want to make sure that the zucchini is evenly dispersed and that there aren't any clumps. Then we can pour this into our prepared bread pan. Just scoop it on in. You want to make sure you're using an 8-inch by 4-inch bread pan. Then we can bake this in the 325-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. Quick to get into the oven, not so quick to get out of the oven. You'll know the bread is done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the bread cool completely before you slice and serve. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.